How to force restart a stuck or frozen iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can force restart a stuck or frozen iPhone 14, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if your iPhone 14 is stuck and maybe just frozen for some kind of reason, and maybe you want to force restart it because by simply pressing the power button is not responding to you. So how do you go ahead and basically force close this? Well, in order to force close it, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is you can see volume buttons on the side. So there is a volume up button and volume down button. You have to quickly press them one after another and then quickly press and hold this button over here. So let me show you guys. Quickly press and hold this upper down, upper volume and lower volume button, and as and when you do that, so let me just show you here, you can see volume up, volume down. Do that and then just press and hold this little power button here, and then just keep holding on it until you see the phone shut off and then see the Apple logo. This way you'll be able to force restart a stuck or frozen iPhone 14. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.